Quick simulation here. We have a very basic circuit. We can see we have voltage, 2 resistors. I'm just zooming in. With OrCAD you'll get used to it, you'll use things like the I key, so I is just zoomed in. What I'm going to do now is set up a very simple bias point setting. New simulation profile, I'm calling it bias because that's what I'm doing. Okay, now we have a new window that's popped up. This window basically is setting up all of the parameters for the simulation. As you can see here, there are various types of simulation: time domain, DC, AC and bias point. All we're interested in at the moment is bias point. We can have some detailed information. We don't need that in this case. So all I'm going to do now is I click apply and click OK. We have now finished. I always in OrCAD keep clicking save whenever I've done something major. You now notice that the icon up here has changed from being greyed out, so you can actually run PSPICE. If you know the quick keys, you can use an option, or you can go to the PSPICE menu and hit run. As you see there, the quick key was F11. So let's run the simulation. We now generate a quick netlist. We load all the variables that we require into the right table, and our simulator, a new window, has started. The simulation was complete very, very quickly. Notice in this pane here, there's nothing to display because we've only done a bias point. We go back to our schematic diagram, and here we have some options. We can put voltages onto our schematic, and we can put currents. As you can see here, we can move these about to make it look a little bit better as we see fit. So this was an extremely simple circuit, an extremely simple bias point. As you can see, we have 8K plus 2K is 10K, 10 volts. 10 volts divided by 10K, 1 milliamp, which is exactly what we would expect to see. Okay, we've now performed our very first, very simple bias point analysis. Okay, I'm going to stop there.